Chris with the CNC Factory. Today I'm here to talk about 3D lamination with our vacuum membrane press. From kitchen cabinet doors to closets, veneering, 3D lamination has become a very profitable in-house operation. Today I'm going to show you the features and just how easy and affordable it is with 3D lamination. Let's get started. The Cyclone 4896 was designed specifically for small to mid-sized shops where space is an issue. Each Cyclone is installed with 4-inch casters that allows it to be moved during or after production. With a working area of 52 by 102 inches, standard production of over 200 cabinet doors in an 8-hour shift is common. Offering 3D lamination in-house keeps you very productive and very profitable. Now let's go over the process of 3D lamination. Very easily, I'm going to take my doors and my drawer fronts and I'm going to then install them in the working area. If I'm working with solid material like a white or black, then grain is not an issue. But if I'm working with grain material, like we're going to use today, then I'm going to make sure that my doors and my drawer fronts are in the same direction as my grain is going to go. Now that our 3D lamination material is installed, we're ready to actually start pressing. On the Cyclone 4896, it's all digitally controlled. It's actually a one-button operation. Let me show you the control center and then let's press the go button. Okay, here we have the digital monitor. Again, everything is a one-touch operation. We have our light we can turn on at any given time, our material temperature, and then we have manual or automated. In this particular case, we're going to press automated. At this point, it's a one-button operation. I'm just going to press the start button. Now that we've seen just how easy 3D laminating can be, I want to take a second to talk about the quality build of our Cyclone 4896. Again, we designed it as a compact footprint. Unlike other ones that are twice as big and not mobile, we accomplished the same production in a smaller footprint. We designed it also with a digital control. So again, it's easy, one-button operation. For more information on the Cyclone 4896, visit our website at the bottom of the screen. My name is Chris and I thank you again for watching.